The Whispering Map of Arabia. In a cozy home in Riyadh, nestled among books and old treasures, lived two curious children named Tariq and Nora. One sunny afternoon, they found a dusty wooden chest in their grandfather's attic. "What do you think is inside?" whispered Nora. Tariq lifted the heavy lid. Inside, lying on a bed of velvet, was a rolled-up map made of old, crinkly paper. As they unrolled it, a golden falcon, shimmering with light, flew out and landed gently on the chest. "I am Sakr," he said in a voice like the desert wind. "This map will show you the wonders of your land." The first place on the map glowed. The attic faded away, and they found themselves standing before giant, ancient tombs carved into red rock mountains. "This is Mada'in Saleh," Sakr explained, "a city built by the Nabateans thousands of years ago." Nora traced a finger over the carvings. "It's like a palace for a giant," she exclaimed. She imagined the ancient people who lived here, carving their homes and histories into the very stone. With a flap of Sakr's wings, the scene changed. Now, they were surrounded by a sea of red sand dunes that stretched as far as they could see. "Welcome to the Rab al-Khali, the empty quarter," Sakr announced. "It is one of the largest sand deserts in the world." Tariq slid down a dune, laughing as the soft sand cushioned his landing. "It's not empty at all," he shouted. "It's full of adventure." He pointed to the tracks of a desert fox disappearing over a ridge. Next, the map whisked them away to the coast. The air was salty and warm. Below them was the Red Sea, so clear they could see colorful fish swimming among vibrant coral reefs. "The sea has treasures too," said Sakr, as a friendly dolphin leaped from the water. The final stop was high in the cool, green mountains of Azir. Terraced fields climbed the slopes like giant green staircases, and the air was filled with the scent of juniper trees. "People have farmed here for centuries," Sakr told them. As the sun began to set, painting the sky in shades of orange and purple, they found themselves back in the attic. The map lay on the floor, its glow fading. Sakr landed softly on Tariq's shoulder. "Your country is full of history and beauty," the falcon said. "Never stop exploring it." Nora carefully rolled up the map and placed it back in the chest. She and Tariq knew this was just the beginning. From the desert sands to the mountain peaks, their land was a storybook waiting to be read, and they couldn't wait for their next adventure.